you, everybody. Tonight, I'm going to introduce the high cooler, the personal mobile actual air conditioner. Sorry. I put it here first. High cooler actually is a variation of traditional evaporation air conditioner. This is a patent technology to boost the evaporation efficiency. Its small size and the no water leak-out characteristics make it super fit for carrying around like a mobile phone. Here is the performance of a high cooler. You can drop the air temperature significantly, say 6 degrees, no matter it's outdoor or indoor. Its hydrated cooling is benefits to the skin, eyes, and throat, like giving you facial steaming. It's extremely low power consumption, just as a 1% or less, as the traditional air conditioners help to save a lot of air conditioning. Yeah. Our current model, High Cooler 1, has a multi-function. It can be a power bank, essential oil diffuser, facial steamer, and humidifier. It's not just for cooling, but also good for health and beauty. We have a vision that the high cooler will have the market growth pattern similar to the mobile phone. Once the technology enables the mobility of air conditioner, the driving factors of worsening global warming will change the ecosystems of air conditioning. A lifestyle change of user, such that people need air conditioning everywhere or wherever they go. So once cannot leave it behind in such a hotter and hotter weather. Our business model is simple: innovation and differentiation. For innovation, we will develop multi-function products and find patents to protect our IP. For differentiation, we will build up our brand image and set up our membership system such that there are some products or service exclusive to members only. For revenue model, we will do B2B business and B2C business. We have several revenue streams. First is to sell the devices, and the second is to sell the accessories, like the portable battery, and larger water tank, special clamp and special stand, and also we will sell the consumable, like the essential oil capsule and the beauty capsule. We also will franchise the business and licensing the technology to other branded companies. We segment the customer into corporate and end user. For corporate, we will develop the sales team to develop the factory and office to help them save the air conditioning cost. And also, we'll develop the theme park and car company to help them enhance their customer user experience. For end customer, we'll use digital media and distributors and focus on the advocates, drivers, students, mothers, or ladies who love health and beauty. Our team has 2 members. I handle the technology development and business, and my partners has rich experience in purchasing and supply chain management. Today, our objectives are 3 objectives. Sharing our exciting technology. The other is to meet you who are interested to invest or cooperate with this for this new emerging business. And the third is get your feedback. Before we finish, I want to say the world population has 7 billion. Half of them are living in countries with hot or very hot season. High cooler is just the right solution for them to fight against the global warming. So the market is huge. Thank you.